Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor, and I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. We were fortunate enough this past winter to go on a cruise, and we spent some time down in the islands. And on the island of Curacao, I had a cocktail that I haven't had in a really long time, and I just stopped making them because I never had any good success with it. Fortunately, we had a very talkative bartender and a very talkative bar patron, and we had a discussion, and he did a little bit of teaching. So I am making a cocktail I fell in love with all over again. And today's cocktail is the Mojito. So let's get pouring. The first step in the cocktail is lime juice. And of course, you've heard me say before, fresh is best. So we're going to take one nice ripe lime and you're going to give it a roll across your bar top. That's going to help loosen all the juices up and make it a little bit easier to get the juice out of it once you do it. You're going to cut the ends off of the lime. You're going to cut the lime in half and then into quarters. If you look on these quarters, you're going to see a little line in there. That's the pith, and that's a little bit bitter. So if you can cut that off of there, you're going to get a little bit better taste in lime in there. We're going to get our glass and we're going to drop 3 of those lime wedges into the glass. Skin side down if you can get them that way. And then we are going to take some sugar. We're using cane sugar in here. And we're going to use 3 spoonfuls of sugar. We're going to give that a real quick muddle. And that's just to kind of start breaking this stuff down. Now that we gave that a real quick muddle, our next ingredient is going to be mint leaves. We've used about, I got about 8 fresh mint leaves in here. Those are all going into the glass. And we can begin that muddle again. By breaking that down with the sugar, with the lime juice, with the oils from the mint, this is where we're going to get our flavor. And there you're muddled. And now everybody's favorite part, and that is the rum. Today, we're going to be using Bacardi white rum again, and we're going to put about 1.5 ounces in there. And there we go. Now, our next step is to ice up our glass. We're going to top that with club soda. Give it a quick stir. And we're going to try and pick up some of those mint leaves and some of those lime in there. Give it a mix. And now for the garnish, a mint sprig. Give it a good slap. It's going to release those oils. Put it in the glass. Put a straw in there, and there you have today's cocktail, the Mojito. Cheers, everyone.